All right, here we have the DBX 120 Subharmonic Synthesizer. This one's in great shape and it adds a lot of character when it's used for something that it wasn't intended for necessarily. I believe it was intended for hi-fi systems, stereo home hi-fi systems. And I like to use these kinds of things for things like drum machines, synthesizers, and electronic music. That's just how I like to use and abuse them, misuse and abuse them. So I have here my MPC 1000 with the 707 kit, which I think a dry kit like this is a great way to see what this can do. So let's hear what it can do. So there we go. I really like this unit. I think it's great. I want to try out um, the newer models and see what they're like. I think it's super cool, especially when you add different things through it. Like a full song, even with bass and everything. It just adds a lot to it. So yeah, there it is. Thank you, MPC 1000. And thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.